Seadust Cancun is an all-inclusive family resort that combines the beauty of the Mexican Caribbean with food, drinks and fun activities for adults and children of all ages. Spend exciting days with your kids in our Treasure Island water park, explore our beach or swim in the waters of the Caribbean. Seadust Cancun All-Inclusive Family Resort offers 505 air-conditioned accommodations with safes and coffee, tea makers. Rooms open to balconies. 55-inch smart televisions come with satellite channels. Bathrooms include showers with rainfall showerheads, complimentary toiletries, and hairdryers. Guests can surf the web using the complimentary wired and wireless internet access. Additionally, rooms include irons, ironing boards and blackout drapes, curtains. Housekeeping is provided daily. Relax with a treatment in our spa or indulge with a beachside massage. After experiencing Cancun's famous sunset, our night spots are open for your amusement. 11 restaurants, 11 bars and a theater featuring live shows. For a memorable all-inclusive vacation, escape to Seadust Cancun Family Resort.